In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a white border around an image here in Canva. So I have this image just here, and that's what we're going to use. Now what I'm about to share will also work with the images that you upload yourself here in Canva, or with Canva images as well. Now once you have an image on the screen which you want to use and put a white border around, it's really simple. We're going to click onto that image, and then we can come up to here to where it says border style. Now if we click on there, we're going to get a few different options. We have an option to change the border style. So if we click on here, this is solid and these ones are dashed. For this example, let's go with solid. Then we can also play around with this border weight, making that border thicker or thinner. So let's put it around about there. Now at this point, the border is actually black. So we're going to want to change this to white or whichever colour that you want. So to do that, we want to click next to the border styles just here where we see this little black circle. If we click on there, this is where we can change the colour of this border to any colour that we want. We can use the default colours, which are just here. We can use default gradients, or if you have your own colour in mind, we can also click onto the colour icon just here and put the hex code just there. Now again, for this example, this is about a white border, so all we're going to do is simply click on white, just like that, and bam, we now have our white border around our image. So that's just how simple it is to add a white border around an image here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.